Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so very much for being here. So today's video is Dollar Tree. I went to Dollar Tree and I was looking for some of the new stuff they have for summer and for 4th of July. And my Dollar Tree has like an aisle, like it's like maybe 15 things up that are 4th of July that I saw last year. So I'm waiting for them to, you know, stock the shelves for more new 4th of July. I can't wait because I do love decorating for 4th of July. So yeah, that's why when I wanted to check for the 4th of July, the stuff they have out is really cute, but it's stuff I already have. And so then, and then I wanted to see what they had for like summer decor. But I did find quite a bit of things. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I guess I'll start with, there's no particular order. I'm just gonna start with this bag. I actually found this. I was really excited to find. I've never tried it. It's LA's Totally Awesome Wool Wash. It says no shrinking, stretching, or fading for clothes you care about. It says new and improved formula. So I actually have items that have wool in them. And so I was like, this might be really great to have. I'm excited to have it. And this is 42 fluid ounces. And I'm going to actually see if it has a scent to it. I don't know. Let me see if it does. Not really. It's got a faint scent to it, but nothing too strong. Nothing like very, what's the word? It has a tiny little scent to it, but nothing like amazing smell. But I mean, if it works well with wools, like washing my wool items, I'm all on board for that. So there's that. Then I also bought another, this is a repeat buy, you guys. I do love the LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Orange. I also buy it in the blue one with the blue label. I go back and forth, but this stuff really does work well. I use this in my wash sometimes when I want to give my wash like an extra boost of like cleaning power. So because it says all-purpose spot remover all around the house. It removes tough stains. I don't use it for that. But it says you can, it says it removes tough stains and odors from laundry, carpet, furniture, and more. And then it just tells you everything about it. But because I really do like this stuff. It's got like, it's like, I don't want to open it up because the little granules go everywhere when you open it up. But it's like, it's almost like sand consistency. So yeah, I did get that. And it comes with a little scoop in there. And then I also tried this for the first time, the Breezy. I've never, you know, I bought in this brand over and over again, but never this scent in lavender. And honestly, like, I like the smell of lavender, but I don't know if I want it in my clothing, you know, for my, like, dryer. I don't know. I know I like lavender lotions and stuff. I don't know. But I think it smells good. It's kind of hard. Let me go ahead and open it up and smell it. You get 55 sheets. I'm just trying to try new things. You know what I mean? So, actually it smells really good, you guys. It smells really good. Oh yeah, it smells much better when I open it up versus just smelling it, you know, like from here. Oh, that smells really good. Yeah, I'm probably going to buy more of this one. Because like I said, I bought it in the blue package. There's like two other colors that this scents that come in it, and they're different color packages. Anyway, I have the blue and I think the orange one. And now I have the lavender. Okay. Moving on, I did buy a water for my, what's the word? Just to have extra. And it's the Crystal Geyser, so 1 gallon. Nothing too exciting about that, but it is, you know, it's for my pantry, I guess I should say. Okay, then let's see what else I got. Oh yeah, so I needed another one of these guys, so I just grabbed the blue. They were, didn't have many options this time at my DT for these, so I just grabbed a blue one, and I do like that color blue, so there it is. I also got straws. I am looking, I've seen a lot of people haul the paper straws, the ones that are like, what's the word, like decomposed, or what's the word, like they, you could put them in like your compost pile. But I can't find them. I keep looking for them when I go to my DT and I can't find them. So I did get these, and my kids do like them because you can do like loop-de-loops with the straws because they're super long. But like I said, our DT does not have, like I said, we have one, two. Now, how many do we have in our town? We have four Dollar Trees in our town, and I still have to check. I normally go to just like the same one all the time, but we have 3 more. I should check around for those. Okay, for those straws. Then my daughter wanted this to paint, so she picked this up. This nice like balsa wood cross, and this is 2 of my 3 daughters went shopping with me today, so she picked this out. I also picked up some more of the foam plates in the 30 count. Let's see what else I got. Oh, I did get this, you guys. I do like these a lot. I'm always hauling these. These work just as good as the Swiffer Wet Jet ones. They really do, and they look almost identical to the Swiffer Wet Jet pads. So there's 3 in a pack here for $1 is a super good deal. Then, oh, okay. I did buy this, so because I think we're gonna go to the beach in the next month or 2. Hopefully, I'm really hoping to, because we love going to the beach. Sometime in the next few months, we'll be going to the beach just for like a day trip. Because we only live about 2.5 hours from the beach, 2.5, 3 hours. So I wanted to get these to help us wipe the sand off us when we come from walking up from being at the beach. I don't know if this will be useful for that, but I think it will be, because they're big disposable washcloths. They're 24 large washcloths. They're 12 inches by 8 inches, and you get 24. So I thought that would be great to have in my car for cleanup, that get the extra sand off of us and that type of thing. All right. Then, oh, by the way, guys, I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. I can't wait. I cannot wait, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. Like, I probably won't be able to sleep tonight because I'm like so excited. So anyways, oh, I did pick up another one of these fans. I did buy 4 on a previous haul, but I ended up getting 1 more to have. It's the mini fan. I got the last one there. These are like selling out like hotcakes. And I have, again, no idea. I haven't put batteries in the other fans that we picked up or that I hauled of the same ones. But I'm pretty sure it would probably work good, I'm imagining. So, and for $1, I'm, willing to lose $1 if it doesn't work. Do you know what I mean? But I think it will probably work really good. Because like I've bought the handheld fans from Dollar Tree before, and they work just as great. So I did get that. Then my daughter wanted to get this for my son Roman, her brother. So it's the finger shooters, and it's pull back and launch. So because she thought that he would like that, and it comes in several different colors. So I did get that. And then here's the back, a little diagram on the back. Okay, then I did pick up several of these. These are so great to have around the house or in your car. I do like these a lot, so I did pick 3 packs up, and you get, it's just, wipes, but you get 64 in there, so I did get those. Then I also got this, you guys. This is so cool. Like, what? Like, I don't remember this last year, so I think these are new. It says Mom. Isn't that so cool for like Mother's Day? I simply love this so much. Let's see, is this, where's the little string here? Hold on, I think, okay, there it is, good. Okay, so this is 22.5 inches, and it's like, just for like Mother's Day or for like a photo shoot. I thought this would be really cute, like maybe for Mother's Day if I did a photo shoot with my kiddos, and like we were like, string this between 2 trees, and like I'm under it with like my kids or something like that. I don't know. Or do a photo shoot with my mom. Like, I don't know, just like really cute ideas. So I did get one for my mother-in-law and my mom, and then one for myself. So anyways, so there's that. It's like that beautiful like rose gold. And for $1, it's just, these things rock for $1. So there's like the color it is. Yes, I'm so excited. It'd be really cool if they have dad. Like if they have a dad one for Father's Day, that'd be really cool. I'm hoping they do. I need to check the Dollar Tree website more often. I have no idea. I know that I should check it because I think that would tell me kind of what's going in, getting into Dollar Tree. Like, I really need to check it more often. In fact, I meant to the other day and I got sidetracked. So anyway, and then over here in this bag, we have, oh, these are, I think, item of the week. I thought these are really pretty colors, like Tiffany green. So I just picked up 1 more of these. I do like the Rubbermaid brand, and these are the deep squares, so they're pretty, pretty deep. And this, it holds up to 3 cups, it looks like, and it's actually, 5.2 cups. It has some measuring cups on the side. I don't know why, but yeah. Anyways, it came in like a pink one, I think, or maybe a red one, and then this really pretty like mint green. So I did get two of those for $1. It was like 50 cents each. Yes, please. Really good deal. And then I picked up 4 for my kids. Here's 2, and my other 2 of my kids have them already. They're the activities to go, and it's the Lorax, Dr. Seuss, and it has coloring and activity book in it. And one of my daughters loves the Lorax, so she's like, I have to have this. So anyways, I bought it for her because she collects like Lorax stuff. Anyways, yeah, it includes 4 non-toxic crayons, 1 coloring and an activity book, and 1 sticker sheet. So there we go. Yeah, so then I picked up these. I do like these. I buy these often. It's the 4-piece, so they look like little like bowls of crystal, but I use these for they're great to have around the house. So I do like these little sets. Here is some more of the wipes. To get more of the wipes. Okay, the next thing, here's another mom. I got another mom one. And then my daughter picked this up. This is a piercing and scoring tool set for like crafting. So she got this. This is the Crafter Square. Two little I guess needlepoint type things, fine and medium point. So you get 2 tips. You get a fine and medium point needles, I guess, in there, and it has like a little tool at the bottom as well. So it's like you get a lot for your money here for $1. So I've got those. Then I wanted to. My daughter wanted this. One of my daughters, she loves playing with makeup, so she wanted this one. It's a liquid eyeshadow, and it's this beautiful metallic purple for your. It's like a liquid eyeshadow, so it will turn into like eyeshadow when you put it on. I think it's really cool. So you see that? Isn't that cool? Like that purple is so pretty. I hope it shows in the camera. And again, this color is called Regal. Regal. I don't know if it's showing if there's a glare. Hope not. Okay, then we also got, my daughter also wanted this, so she picked out this compact makeup. So it's like a, I guess it's like a, and it's paraben free, which is great. It's rich, smooth, natural look, long wearing, blends easily. I think this is like a liquid kind of foundation type thing with a sponge. So she wanted this one. Then she also wanted the LA Colors eyeshadow, the Smoky palette. So it's blues and grays, and this palette is called Supernatural. It's really, really pretty. I also picked up some lipsticks for myself. So I did pick up 3 lipsticks to try just for fun. I picked up this really pretty, it's called Dark Wine, and actually I'll go ahead and try them on my hand so you can see what they look like. Dark Wine. I think that's going to be gorgeous. Then there's also, and this is all Wet n Wild, and then I did pick up Pink Ice. So I was like, that looks like it'd be really, really pretty. And then I also picked up Breeze Brise. Like, that's a hard word to say. Breeze Brise. I don't think I could say that 3 times without messing that word up. Breeze Brise. Oh my goodness. So there's that. And then I have one more thing to show you on the floor here. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these really quick so you guys can see what they look like. I would try them on, but I already have lipstick on. And I just love to, like, you know, change lipstick up and stuff like that. So for $1, and I do like the Wet n Wild brand. So the first one I'm going to try is the Breeze Brise. Let's see what it says. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and try this on. So it's more like to me on the package, it looks like more of a nude color, like nude brown. So let's see how it reads on. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh, okay. So it's actually really pretty. It's like a peach. It's more like a peach to me under these lights. It may not read that way to you guys because it's you know, maybe you have a better lighting because I'm right under the lights here, but that's the color it is. that it's reading. That's the Beach Brise. And then the next one is, like, I want to put it on, but I don't think it's going to read, you guys, if I put it on. I don't think it's going to read. I don't know. Let me see if it reads. Like if it's actually changing my lipstick color right now. No. No, it's not changing my lipstick color. Okay, so it's a kind of like a sheer. I think it's more like a sheer lipstick. Okay, there's that one. And then I want to see this one. This one looks gorgeous. It's almost like a, it's like a dark pink red. It's got like red. It's rich, buildable color. Dark wine. So that's this one again. Dark wine. Dark wine. Rich, buildable color. Let's see, so there's it before I put it on. And then here it is. Woo! Ooh, that is gorgeous. That one's really pretty. I like that one a lot. That one. The, again, the color is called Dark Wine. That's really pretty. So that, I like that one a lot. Because that's really, like, you don't have to wear a lot for it to show up. Or, like, put a lot on. Okay, there's that one. And the last one is called Pink Ice. Pink Ice. This one reminds me of like Barbie pink. It's like really pretty. It's like a very pretty pink. Okay, so let's see. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Oh, I love this one. Okay, so let me go ahead and put my glasses on. This is gorgeous. This pink, it totally reminds me of Barbie pink. That color is gorgeous. Oh yeah, I'll be wearing that one soon. That's my favorite of all of them, the Pink Ice. That's so pretty. Yay, okay. Yeah, and then I would say the middle, for me, my favorites go Pink Ice, then this one, and then this one. So anyway. All right, so, okay, the last thing I want to show you is, put this back on here, is I did get some beach buckets because like I said, we want to go to the beach in the next couple months, you know, hopefully. So I did pick up some more beach buckets. I think we already have some that I've stored away from last year, but it doesn't, you know, it's always nice to have extra ones. And so I did pick up the green because it's nice because not only do you get the bucket, but you get a shovel too. So it's like kind of everything all together. Do you know what I mean, for the beach? So you can, you know, find your little treasures in the sand. But yeah, so they had red, yellow, and this really cool green. I love this green. And then I picked up the 2 blues with the orange shovel. Super adorable. Just super cute for the ocean, a trip to the ocean. I love it. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I have like beach buckets from last year, but like I said, they might, I just couldn't remember all the way. So I was like, might as well just get more. So, yeah, so there's the last one. All right, friends, so that concludes what I bought at Dollar Tree today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so very much for being here. I would love to hear what your favorite thing is I picked up at Dollar Tree this time on this trip. And yeah, so again, thank you so much for being here. And I will see you back here tomorrow with my new hairdo. I can't wait to show you guys. And yeah, I'll see you back here tomorrow with my next haul. All right, friends? So till next time, everybody, take care, God bless, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.